My name is Alex Bus. I work at SHS, Stahl-Holding-Saar. There in the procurement department, I am responsible for processes, for performance and sustainability. And one part of my work is to implement Ivalua. One of the main reasons is that we have big challenges coming to us in the market, but also one of our biggest projects in the past and in the future is to decarbonizing our steel production. And for that we need some new tools in the procurement. And one of the points is that we want to automate our processes, our procurement processes, and Ivalua could help us to do that. And one of the other things is that we want to bundle our procurement processes over our whole company. So we have some daughter and other companies and want to bundle our procurement processes. And so we have another thing is the point of the climbing demands of our customers regarding environmental things and some things like sustainability and other things. And I think Ivalua will help us to reach our targets. One of the biggest KPIs in the future that Ivalua can help us to improve is our process costs. So to shorten our processes, to automate our processes, and one of the KPIs is the duration of one of the procurement process. So that we want to shorten our procurement processes and automate it. And on the other hand, for sure, the savings. Procurement is always about savings, especially in our current market field. We have to do savings, and one of the biggest KPIs is to increase our savings with Ivalua and bundling our procurement, and then increase our savings.